Hi everyone. On this video we're going to dive into our automated drone solution. So I'll start by quickly showing you our automated drone framework. And here, as we can see, we have our Unreal Engine 5 environment in which we set up Airsim. And Airsim is connected to our Ubuntu WSL2 instance in which we set up PX4 and QGraph controller. PX4 is the flight controller which provides also a software in-loop simulator to work on simulations like Airsim. And here we have Airsim communicating with our fire detection model thanks to Airsim APIs. Now let's move on to QGraph control. Gives us the possibility to mimic a real-life situation. Like in real-life situations, the drone is supposed to survey the forest, for example, in order to detect any possible fire. QGraph control gives us the possibility to configure the height, the speed we want our drone to go in, and the different waypoints our drone goes through. This is the path that I already configured for our drone for this environment. So let's fly. As we can see, the drone is taken off. We can stop the drone like in this position, for example, and let's run our fire detection model. So fire detection model is taking pictures from our front camera on the drone and executing our model on it. So let's continue the mission. You see the drone is taken off. It's going through this path. And if I want the drone to get back from where it started, I just push this button, return, send a request. And here we see the drone stopping, turning around. I stop the fire detection mode because it takes a lot of RAM, just for you to see the front camera. So as you can see, the drone is going back exactly from where it started and also in the same direction. Same direction, same position. And here's the model running. So thank you so much for your attention.